This tutorial shows you how to set Microsoft Print to PDF as your default and adjust its output preferences. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Printers and Scanners. At this point, scroll down and turn off the toggle next to Let Windows manage my default printer. In the next step, click on Microsoft Print to PDF from the list of installed printers. Following this, click on Set as Default. Once done, click on Printing Preferences from the same page. From here, adjust settings like paper size, orientation, and quality based on your preference. At this stage, click on OK once your preferences are set. Keep in mind, apps like Chrome and Edge remember their own last-use printer separately, so you may need to press Ctrl, Shift, and P together inside the browser to force it to use this system default. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to switch your default printer back to a physical one. And that's it. If this guide helped you configure default PDF printing settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.